Hello and welcome to this video on IBM data replication. In this session, we are going to take a look at the two types of scripts, shared and private. These are the two types of scripts, single or shared and private. Knowledge of staging store will be a big plus in understanding this concept. Subscriptions using shared script use only one log reader and parser and hence minimizes resource consumption. This diagram illustrates that when staging store doesn't contain the required data, how both types of scripts can coexist. Next, we are going to discuss how scrapers work in real time. Private scrape is spawned when a subscription no longer finds the required data in the staging store. The private scraper rejoins when the required data is found in the staging store. Users need to pay attention to how scrapers work. However, too many private scraps can become resource intensive and slow down replication speed. It is a symptom of poorly designed subscriptions. Let's look at the conditions that force a private script to be spawned. Let's see some of the key points on how to properly design subscriptions. Let's discuss some of the measures to bring back subscriptions to shared script, even when needed. In the presence of private scripts, CDC will hold on to the earliest among the earlier position of all the subscriptions. Some key points about shared script. There can be situations where shared script is not desirable. We can prevent private scripts from being created by setting these parameters. Let's look at how to figure out if a subscription is using a shared script. Similarly, we can look at the event to figure out if the subscription is running on private script. We may need to know the staging store status to understand how near or far a subscription is from the staging store. This diagram shows how to place the bookmarks to figure out the position of the subscriptions with respect to the staging store. This comes handy in determining what interventions may be needed if the need arises to join the subscription with shared script.